Unlock a new level of productivity by seamlessly integrating Google's powerful Gemini AI directly into your Chrome browser, turning everyday browsing into an enhanced experience. Let's dive into how you can bring Gemini's intelligence to your fingertips. The first step is finding and installing the right Gemini integrated Chrome extensions. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Gemini or AI Assistant. Look for extensions that offer features like web page summarization, content generation, or smart search capabilities. Read the descriptions and reviews to pick the ones that best suit your needs. Once you've found an extension you like, simply click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. You'll notice a new icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Usually in the top right corner, click this icon to access the extension settings or launch its primary functions. Now, let's see Gemini in action. Imagine you're on a long article with a Geminiport extension. You can typically right-click anywhere on the page and select an option like Summarize this page. In seconds, the AI will provide a concise summary, saving you valuable reading time. Need help drafting an email or a social media post? Many extensions allow you to highlight text or provide a prompt, and Gemini can generate creative content for you for research. Gemini can help you quickly find information, rephrase complex concepts, or even brainstorm ideas directly within your browser. Explore the settings of your chosen extensions. Some allow you to customize the AI's tone, length of summaries, or even integrate with other services. The beauty of using Gemini in Chrome is its versatility, adapting to your workflow to streamline tasks, from in-depth research to quick content creation, all without leaving your browser. By integrating Gemini with Chrome extensions, you're not just browsing. You're collaborating with an AI to boost your efficiency and creativity every single day. Start experimenting with these tools and discover how much more you can achieve.